Here's a quick video showing how to remove the clip latch from an SMG-68. I'm going to try to use the pin out of a standard VL200 hopper. So I have my VL200 unscrewed in half. So I'm going to remove my lid right here. And look at that, my pin just came right out. There's my pin. Now I'm going to take my busted SMG-68 magazine. We can see that this whole front portion right here, where the magazine spring and the barrel would screw into, is busted. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to try to remove the magazine latch. Now with my hammer, my pin, and a pair of vice grips, I'm going to set my pin in the right place here, lock down on it, position it correctly here. Now just hammer it out, and you can see that my pin is going. Now I can just pull my Viewloader pin out. My magazine latch just falls right out. There's my magazine latch right here. And you can see it's a little kind of smudgy behind it. Ooh, there's like some bug nests or something. Get that out of there. And so now I could clean this piece and then I could reassemble. I'm not even going to bother with cleaning it. I'm just going to reassemble right now. So what I'm going to do to reassemble is look at my hole, line it up, put my pin in there, and now take my stock pin, see if it'll slide in just the slightest, just like that. This is kind of a difficult one to screw in because it's so close. Use my vice grips to just kind of push it in a little bit more. There we go. And now I take my hammer, just kind of push it in a little bit more, almost all the way in. There we go. With my vice grips, clamp onto my pin. Just give it one more little punch so that it's flat. Now it's on there good. There we go. It's a little squishy. Should have probably cleaned it out. If I was going to use it, I should have cleaned it out. But there we go. So there's the disassembled and there's the two assembled styles right there.